Breaking news. Cross River appeals judgment seeking lawmakers sack after dumping the People Democratic Party for APC. Hello, my wonderful people. The governor has to work earnestly because he is the next in line. This is the same governor who got his mandate under the People Democratic Party. But of course, here comes the wooing power. You know that Nigeria is trying to make up equality, fairness, and justice. You could be Nigeria's next president. Why not join the ruling All Progressive Congress? And here they go. Himself and David are practically, battling for their political career right now because the People Democratic Party has taken the bull by the horn. It's no longer business as usual as they take, all persons who have been moving from one party to the other now to court. It started with the lawmakers. It's eventually going to get to the governor, just like you can see, Ebonyi State Governor David Umahi has been sacked. In the forthcoming days, if not the way Nigeria is, it would have been implemented while court proceedings go on. But INEC said they are going to sit on it and deliberate. And guess what? It's all called the time buying tactics. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Cross River State government says it has filed in an appeal against the Federal High Court, which sacked 20 lawmakers for dumping the People Democratic Party for the All Progressive Congress. The People Democratic Party, PDP, has instigated a lawsuit against the lawmakers over their movement from one party to the other. The judgment in the suit mark FHC/ABJ/CS/92975/2021 was delivered on Monday. Ruling on the case, Taiwo, the judge, had that the lawmakers should vacate their seats, having abandoned their political party that sponsored them to power. The affected lawmakers are those representing different constituencies in the state, but moved with the governor when he dumped the People Democratic Party for the ruling All Progressive Congress. In a statement on Tuesday, Christine Ita, special advisor on media and publicity to the governor, asked the affected lawmakers to go about their duties, asking that the judgment has been appealed and an application has been filed for the stay of execution. This same application was filed by Governor David Umahi, who was still sacked despite his filing for such. This is an information APC members of the National Assembly. This is to inform all APC members of the National Assembly from Cross River State, members of the Cross River State House of Assembly, and the general public that an appeal against the judgment of the Federal High Court by Justice Taiwo, Abuja, has been filed at the Appeal Court in Abuja. He said also a motion for a stay of execution of the Federal High Court has been filed. Both processes are filed by the renowned constitutional lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, Chief Mike Ozionwu. Following the filing of the two proceedings, automatically the order of the lower court has stayed. Consequently, the All Progressive Congress members in both the National Assembly and Cross River State House of Assembly should go about their duty freely. In the application for stay for execution, Ozionwu noted that the notice and grounds for appeal raises serious argumentative and reconsideration points of law before the applicant court with a great chance of success at the hearing of the appeal. The Honorable Court has the power and jurisdiction to grant the instant application to preserve the subject matter from pending appeal, he said. He prayed the court to grant the applicant in the interest of justice. So these are the days where lawyers in the country will eat in no small way. These are the days when the money for states meant to be used for development of the people and enhancement of growth and development will be used to fuel people's personal interest. Now, thinking about it logically with your own mind and heart, okay, we know that if you do not have something, okay, your brother came to visit you And your brother, because you gave him a room to use in your house, all of a sudden he brings in his friends. You accommodated them. Before you know it, they are moving your TV. So I feel like selling this TV. Then they come again. So the other one comes saying, I feel like there should be no more pots in this house. This is your brother that you brought in. Your brother. Your brother now brought in a friend. You don't know the friend from Adam, but out of courtesy for your brother, out of respect, it's okay, let your friend stay. Then the friend gets into your room one day and says, I don't like these clothes you are wearing. Take them all out and use scissors and cut them into pieces. And said, I want to redecorate for you. I want you to be wearing singlets and pants. That's your new wardrobe. This is your brother. Okay, you did not, you only invited him, and yes, this is what, if you want to, I'm just trying to look for the best argumentative way to narrate the issue of what is going on. Now, the People Democratic Party, as we all know, when you go to vote, yes, when you and I go to vote, on the ballot boxes, there is no name that says Buhari. There is no name that says Atiku. There is no name that says Lagbaja. There is no name. What we see on those ballot boxes are, we see People Democratic Party. We see the All Progressive Congress. We see AZZ. We see BTT. We see YPP. We see, do you get what I mean? That's what we see on the ballot boxes. Yes? Agreed? Yes. So, when you also get the certificate of return in office to serve, that certificate says under the so and so. I'm not altogether very sure, but I mean, it says that you are getting this position under this party. So everybody will be able to interpret the law now differently. So that the person with mouth, when the lawyer mouth strong pass, and we got favor, I go win this case. But can you see that out of greed, out of what we want, out of how we want it, we begin to turn the law and things in our favor because we want it. The constitution already is being changed, left, right, and center. The constitution already is fraudulent enough in itself. It has destroyed this country enough by the constitution that we have, that we are running it as a nation. The very first line of that constitution is a lie. And you know what happens to anything built under the foundation of a lie? It will not stand. It's only a matter of time. It will pretend to stand. It will struggle to stand. Have you heard of what we call time? It will reveal all. You see? So these people know very clearly. They understand what is going on. But they can't be bothered. They have to live under the atmosphere of lies and falsehood. All in a bid to satisfy the thing called greed. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Bye for now.